Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June 23rd, 2018, and I'm here with some of my tender green burpless cucumbers. And I have some cucumbers hanging on. I'll show you one of them here. Hold on a moment, let me find him. He is right there. And I'm actually going to be taking this one off today. Now these get, I think it's 7 to 9 inches long. I'll have to double check the book because this is a new variety for me. I'm not sure yet. This one is smaller than that, but I want to kick the plants up to get them given more. So I'm going to be taking some of the cucumbers off because the sooner you get them off, like when you can eat them, the more they'll keep giving. So I have my scissors here, you can see the stem, and I'm just going to be cutting the stem right here. There we go. Make sure you don't cut the vine behind it. And here's our little cucumber here. So we're going to be having this one tonight with our salads. I've never tried this variety before. I'm really excited to try it. It's not supposed to be bitter. So we have fresh salad, fresh cucumbers, and fresh radishes. We're still waiting on the tomatoes. And when I take this inside, I am going to be storing it in a closed container in the refrigerator. I'm not going to wash it off until we're ready to prepare it to eat it, and then when we do, I'll rinse it off under cold water. If you let them sit out, they're going to dehydrate, and then you're not going to get your fruit or your harvest, and you're not going to be happy. So make sure you put them in the refrigerator in a closed container. So I want to show you some more cucumbers that are hanging on. These are the tender green burpless ones here. And here's another one over here. And there's definitely more coming on. There's more of them. Here's another one down in here. Now I'm going to let these other ones get bigger here. But I really want to try this one. Another reason for taking it off was because it was on the ground. Now, if you let your cucumbers get real big, or like if they go bad on the vine, you want to get those off of your cucumber vines, because if you don't, your cucumbers will actually stop giving. So, you want to keep picking your cucumbers. I would check them every day. That's how I would do them, because these do get checked on. There's another one down there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but these are starting to climb the fence. Now I did get to pull them over, and they just kind of went over then on their own. So the good news is they are finding the fence and climbing. Some of my other varieties, they are starting to flower and get the fruit on them, the cucumbers. The tender green definitely produced first, so I'm really excited to try this variety here. And one way to tell if your cucumbers are ripe, the ones that have the spines on, which this one here doesn't, if you run your finger across them or your hand, they should come off really easy. That's one of the ways to tell if they're ripe. So I wanted to add that in. I don't know if I have any varieties that I'm growing this year that has the spines on them, because I went with all different varieties this year. I used to grow the straight 8s, and we were having an issue where they were just always so bitter, so I didn't grow that variety this year. These are the early burpless cucumbers, and then these are the hybrid, gateway hybrid cucumbers here, and then these are the Market More 76s, with the exception of this here. This is a melon, and this one here is an heirloom variety. The tender green burpless, they're an heirloom variety. The gateway is a hybrid, and the early burpless is a hybrid. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.